Hello all. Today we are going to have a session on periodic classification of elements. Total 118 elements are known to the scientific world. However, around year 1800 only 30 elements were known. In the course of time, many more elements were discovered. So, in this chapter we are going to study about elements and their classification, Taubes-Reiner's triads, Newland's law of octaves, Mendeleev periodic table and modern periodic table. We all know our surrounding is made up of many types of matter. There are mainly four types of matter present: solid, liquid, gas and plasma. In periodic table, elements are classified into mainly three groups: metals, non-metals and metalloids. The general properties of metals are as follows. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Metals are malleable, means easily bent or shaped. Metals are ductile, able to be drawn out into a wire. Metals have a shiny luster. Few examples of metals are copper, zinc and mercury. Cu is relatively soft metal and a very good electrical conductor. Zinc is more stable than potassium and mercury is the only metal that exists as a liquid at room temperature. Now, few general properties of metalloids. They have properties of both metals and non-metals. Metalloids are more brittle than metals, less brittle than most non-metallic solids. Metalloids are semiconductors of electricity. Some metalloids possess metallic luster. For example, silicon. Silicon possesses a metallic luster, yet it is an inefficient conductor and is brittle. General properties of non-metals. Non-metals are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Good insulators. Non-metals tend to be brittle when solid. Many non-metals are gases at room temperature. For example, carbon is the only non-metal which is solid. Smallest particle of matter. The smallest particles are called atoms. An atom is the smallest constituent unit of ordinary matter that constitutes a chemical element. Every solid, liquid and gas plasma is composed of neutral or ionized atoms. Now, what's the difference between molecules of elements and compounds? Elements are composed of only one kind of atoms in a free state or combined state, whereas compounds are produced by a chemical reaction of two or more elements. An element cannot be decomposed by any chemical or physical process. A compound can be decomposed into its constituents by chemical process. Example of elements are gold, copper, nitrogen. Example of compounds are water and sugar. Do you know our body is having several types of elements: hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sulfur, sodium, chlorine, magnesium, iron and iodine. But 99% of atoms in a human body come from these four elements: hydrogen, oxygen, carbon and nitrogen. The scientist who discovered some facts and the position of elements in the periodic table. In the year 1817, a German scientist, Taubes-Reiner, suggested that properties of elements are related to their atomic masses. His theory is known as Taubes-Reiner triads. In the year 1866, the scientist Newland correlated the atomic masses of elements to their properties. His theory is law of octaves. The Russian scientist Mendeleev developed the periodic table of elements during the period 1869 to 1872. He organized the periodic table on the basis of chemical and physical properties of the element.